Introducing NordLocker, an app that encrypts your files so you can keep them securely on your computer, in the cloud, or send to others. A simple drag and drop to a Locker folder is all it takes to encrypt your documents. This way, you can be sure that no one will access them without your knowledge, only you with your master password. With NordLocker, you can secure all types of data: your secret music collection, amateur poetry, video series from your trip to Brazilian jungle, you name it. Think of your personal files you'd rather keep private: photos, videos, banking information, IDs, your medical data, also work-related documents, your freelancing work, confidential contracts, or academic research. Encrypt your files with NordLocker and keep calm. Your data is safe from snooping, hacking, and other cyber threats. Share any documents the way you're used to. Just encrypt them with NordLocker first. Anyway is a safe way to send encrypted files, email, all your messaging apps, file transfer services, uploading to cloud. NordLocker plays nicely with any cloud you have there. Take back control of your private data. Store and share your files securely. Encryption is on us.